This is Jake from SurviveTheWild. I'm out here with Joe, and it is wet. Can't hear the rain. We're both wet. And we're going to start a fire here with not much for tinder except for birch bark. And we're going to use to light my fire striker. Forget what the
flint and steel.
Yeah.
It's a ferrocium.
Flint and steel, but
ferrocium stick.
Yeah, ferrocium stick. We're going to see if we can make this work. For everybody who refuses to carry a dick lighter, we're going to do this to see if it'll start when we get a fire going in the pouring rain. Well, it's not pouring right now, but it was a few minutes ago. Alright, we'll get back in a couple minutes. Try to keep it in a little bundle. It keeps opening up, even if there's a cold starting. It's going to... Just the action of striking is moving the thing.
Yeah, it works better if you pull the stick more than you... Or pull the stick at the same time that you push down the thing.
Never used one of these before, so...
Pull the stick at the same time. That way it helps the pushing away. Rather than pushing away, you're pulling the stick.
I gotta separate these things.
Oh boy, the sad realities. Go.
Alright, we shredded up the birch bark as much as we could. We can't get this thing to throw a spark, catch a flame. Maybe we're not shredding up enough. There's no other good tinder around here because everything is soaked. There's a swamp way over there that has cattails, but we're not going that far just to come back with tinder.
Yeah, everything would be soaked anyways. It's been raining for days.
So we happen to be out deer hunting. So we got an old 8mm Mauser around here. I'm using the old mountain man way of starting fire. Because if this thing doesn't light off gunpowder, then we're not going to use it anymore.
Fire by K-bar and rifle round. So
it should burn without making a boom.
Should. Operative word.
Seems to have fallen through my tinder bottle. That was a minor oversight, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's exactly why I don't pick up the freaking bird's nests. Stuff tends to fall through. What if you clear out the birch first, hit straight on it, and then throw the birch around it or on it? You see any of it fizzle yet?
Yeah, but it's not. Wow, let's see what we got here. Look at this. What do we get?
Well, we're already cold and wet. We're about to be cold and wet in the dark. Where's that Bic when you need him?
Yeah, where's the Bic? I know the Bic would work right now. just didn't want to go, does it?
Plenty of spark. I mean, look at that. And that isn't flint, true flint. That's ferrocium. You know, firesteel, which is 3,000 degrees of spark coming off the end of that thing. It's just soaking wet.
Yeah.
That's gunpowder. Gunpowder and birch bark.
Oh, nitro powder.
Nitro powder.
This stuff is wet. I can feel it with my hands.
Yeah, everything's wet. It's a problem. It's been raining for days. You know, it's great when you got perfect tinder, but this is imperfect situation.
All right, let's try it again with the gunpowder all in one pile.
All right, I'll stop the video for bullet 2.
All in one pile. Try not to let it fall through here.
All right, we should see a flame. I mean, let me get a piece of birch bark ready just in case you do. Oh, more. Nice.
There we go.
Look at that. All right, flame, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Sorry, I moved.
Man, that stuff did not want to catch.
No, it didn't. So that's not the easiest thing in the world, but it can be done.
And keep in mind, that's nitro powder. It burns at a much slower rate than good old black.
Right.
If that was black, it'd have probably been twice as easy. But I'm really surprised that didn't catch flames.
Right.
It needs to be bundled and compressed and get a good one right in the middle of it to
Now
set
this is wet birch bark, so you can see just how good birch bark is, because that gunpowder is long gone. So this is just straight birch bark eating itself now.
Primers, get them away. I can still reload the bullets.
Woohoo! Man, things you got to do to start a fire. Anyways, have a good one.